Plug in the smart plug into a live outlet. Install and log in to the TOPGREENER app on your smart device and navigate to the Devices tab and click Add Device or the plus button. Select the device type Smart Powerful Plug-in. When prompted to power on the device and confirm, push and hold the button on the top of the TGWF115APM for 5 seconds, and the LED indicator on the device will start blinking rapidly. When the LED starts blinking, press Confirm Indicator Rapidly Blinks. Enter your Wi-Fi password when prompted and click Confirm. After successfully adding the device, you can change the name of the device if desired. Plug the appliance into the smart plug. Finally, leave the plugged-in appliance in the on position. You can now control the smart plug manually or by using the TOPGREENER app, Amazon Alexa, or Google Assistant.